He's sliding.
Yep, a little bit.
He's nuts. Oh my god. Oh, he don't care.
That's gotta be cool to have that, just have the space to be able to do that. Damn.
Hey, and I'll hang on to this. Don't flip it. Don't get caught along. See, we don't need this hard.
That thing seems perfect for all kinds of odd jobs.
Of course, he redid the bottom of it, and I thought he was gonna bump into a tree. I was like, what? I don't know, buddy. Look at him watching, like. Alright. Dude.
That was a little close. You might slide a little bit.
I know he wants to get lockers so that like all the wheels lock.
What do you mean all the wheels lock?
Because even though it says it's four-wheel drive, it's not four-wheel drive. It's like the front like left tire and the back right tire.
Oh, okay.
Lockers, they'll be all four tires.
Oh, okay. Hey, that's... You know, for doing this, you should almost like weld like the... What the hell are those things called that you can put on the side so in case it does roll, it doesn't like flip?
They have those, I don't know if they're roll guards or what.
Might be nice to have them in this situation.
Oh, I don't think you'd think twice we did. The only problem we had to figure out how to roll it back over.
Yeah, without it rolling over again, I guess.
Try to get to the top now.
Damn.
This tire. The radials. Missy! I think we ran over one of those mini pods.
Stay up there.
He's going back.
Here, come on. Some of this is even terrifying to watch. I can imagine being in a Jeep. How many times has he done this?
A couple, a few.
Damn.
God, don't you wish you had a Jeep?
I wouldn't mind sometimes having an SUV, but in the snow when my car sucks. But I mean,
He says that there's little radials that don't break the snow. He said his mud tires are the ones that were.
yeah, I'm surprised how well those tires are doing for him right now.
The mud tires are really good for him right now, actually, I think. Versus. Oh, we got a clear right now.
Oh.
Lucy! 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 Lucy!
Oh, they're smart enough to move at the last minute, like a damn pigeon.
Dad! Dad! We want to get in!
No.
No, I don't think so.
No, we already did that.
Oh, really? Oh, well. Yes. Damn, that's one way to do it.
He's gonna kill us,
It's meant for that kind of stuff. It's a Jeep.
It's a Jeep.
I like
it's
the
a straight
lawnmower.
six. It is. That thing will last a long time.
Yeah, if Jeep motors were, yeah, they need to be built for this kind of thing.
Start
Like the
Why?
lawnmower!
trade to my friend.
Like the lawnmower!
He's done for the day.
That was entertainment.
It always is.